If something inside you has felt uncertain, heavy, or full of self-doubt, give me just a few minutes. This is not an ordinary meditation. It's a sacred, transformative journey to help you step fully into your worth, your power, and your inner peace. I'm Rhea Rivers, your guide through this unfolding inner landscape. By the end of this journey, you'll feel deeply rooted, anchored in your true self, and aligned with the quiet strength that has always been within you. Take a slow, full breath in, letting your chest rise naturally. Exhale gently, letting doubt, fear, and uncertainty drift away like mist dissolving in morning light. Breathe in again, drawing strength into your chest, and exhale, letting tension fall away, melting into the ground beneath you. Imagine stepping into a vast, luminous garden suspended above a peaceful, reflective sea. The air hums with warmth, safety, and light. Every part of you can breathe freely here. The ground beneath you glows softly, like liquid gold beneath your feet. This is the garden of your inner worth, a place where you are fully seen, deeply loved, and entirely safe. Take another deep breath in and repeat gently in your mind, I am safe, I am protected, I am held in love. Exhale slowly and feel any lingering fear soften, dissolving into the air around you. Around you float glowing jellyfish, each holding a worry, insecurity, or lingering belief that you are not enough. Their soft rhythmic pulses sway gently, waiting to be released with compassion. You walk forward slowly, hearing only the gentle hum of the garden, a rhythm that mirrors your own steady heartbeat. One jellyfish drifts toward you, drawn by your calm presence. Its glow softens as it reveals a fear you've carried too long. I am not worthy, or I am unseen. Take a deep breath in, acknowledging it without judgment. Hold it for a moment, feeling the tension in your chest. Exhale fully and release the weight into the warm air around you. Repeat gently in your mind, I am inherently worthy. My value is not defined by others' perceptions. Breathe in deeply and repeat gently in your mind, I am whole exactly as I am, and I give myself permission to shine fully. Exhale slowly, letting this truth sink into every cell of your body. Another jellyfish floats toward you, holding fear of judgment, rejection, or not being enough. Inhale and repeat gently in your mind, I trust in my own goodness. I am free to be myself fully without apology. Exhale and feel the jellyfish dissolve, leaving a warm glow in its place. A reminder that the love you seek is already within you. Take another gentle breath in, allowing your shoulders to soften and your chest to rise. Exhale slowly, letting go of comparison, self-criticism, and fear of not belonging. You now feel expansive inside, not empty, but open. Open to possibility, open to joy, open to living fully. A golden pathway appears before you. Each step along it whispers. Repeat gently in your mind. I am resilient. I am courageous. I am deserving of happiness. Breathe in deeply and repeat gently in your mind. I release the weight of self-criticism. I embrace my inner strength. Exhale fully, letting go of hesitation, fear, and old patterns that no longer serve me. As you walk, shimmering bridges form over the peaceful sea. Each bridge represents a choice, a possibility, a new way of believing in yourself. Take a slow breath in and repeat gently in your mind. I am worthy of trust, love, and the life I imagine. Exhale, letting go of fear that I am not enough. Notice more jellyfish floating gently. No longer burdens, but glowing symbols of courage, self-love, and infinite potential. Take another deep breath in and repeat gently in your mind. I am safe. I am seen. I am accepted fully by myself and by life. Exhale and feel your entire being relax, expand, and align with this truth. A final jellyfish drifts toward you, shimmering with golden light. It whispers, repeat gently in your mind, I am deserving, I am whole, I am free. Take a slow, grounding breath in and repeat gently in your mind. I carry my inner strength, my clarity, and my worth with me always. Visualize integrating this calm confidence into specific moments. Speaking up, sharing your ideas or feelings openly. Approaching challenges with curiosity and courage. With each inhale, repeat gently in your mind, I meet the world with calm, clarity, and courage. With each exhale, release doubt, self-criticism, and fear of rejection. Take a deep breath in and repeat gently in your mind. I am worthy. I am enough. I am free to live fully and confidently. Exhale fully and affirm softly within. Every breath releases what I no longer need and makes space for the life I am becoming. Take one last deep breath in and repeat gently in your mind. I honor myself, I trust my journey, I embrace life with courage, joy, and love. Exhale fully, feeling your chest, shoulders, and mind settle into calm, radiant self-assurance. Open your eyes when you feel ready. If this journey resonated with you, subscribe now and join the R&R Story Meditation community, a space where immersive, restorative meditations nurture your heart, mind, and spirit. Reminding you always, you are infinitely worthy, you are deserving of life, and your inner light guides you.